Good morning, students. Today's lesson is about essay. It's one of your writing skills. Today we will study about what an essay is, how to construct it, its format, points to be considered, and its example. So let's begin. Essay writing. What is an essay? An essay is generally a short piece of writing which reflects the thought of a writer. Which means an essay is a short piece of writing in which writer expresses his thoughts on a single topic. And the idea is to convince the reader for the same. It is also a group of paragraphs written about a single topic. An essay contains minimum 3 and maximum 5 paragraphs. Generally, a 5-paragraph essay is a common length for academic writing. So we can write 3 to 5 paragraphs in an essay. Students, the essay does not have a set format, but we do have general structure to follow. So here is the general structure to be followed in writing an essay. First, we start with introduction. This is where the topic is introduced. In the introduction itself, we introduce the topic and can briefly include your thoughts on the topic, which means we can include our thoughts in a brief manner in the introduction. Here, brief means in a short manner. We can also start with quotations, sayings, proverbs, definition, or question. If we start the paragraph with the question, it creates an interest in the reader. Next, we go for body of an essay. This contains 2 or more paragraphs, but it should be well organized. The thoughts should be placed in a logical manner, which means it should follow a certain pattern. It should be in sequence, so the reader does not get confused after reading the essay. Last is conclusion. As the name suggests, the conclusion sums up the whole thought process. In conclusion, we conclude our thoughts. That means whatever we have written in the previous paragraphs, we conclude it all, we summarize it all in our last paragraph. Now here are some points to be remembered. First, an interesting and appropriate title that captures the reader's attention. The title of an essay should be interesting and appropriate. Here, appropriate means suitable. That means the title should be suitable enough for the essay. It should give a clear picture of what we are writing about. It should also be interesting and catchy to gain readers' attention. Next is the word limit. We should strictly adhere to the word limit, which is 150 to 200 words. That means minimum we can go for 150 words and maximum we can write 200 words in essay. Third is keep the language and sentences simple and crisp. The language should be simple and sentences should be short and crispy. We should avoid using lengthy sentences. It is a good idea to organize your thoughts in the form of a rough draft. It's always better to jot down your ideas in rough first. This way, writer can be more clear and there will be no confusion. And once you have the clarity, you can write in fair. this page, we are having a sample of an essay. This is an essay on Mother Earth. As you can see, first there is a heading, and then we have started the essay with the introduction of the topic. And then gradually we have moved towards the detailed explanation, which includes what is the Earth's environment, the requirement, people's lifestyle, how it is getting affected, pollution, ozone layer, everything. And here in the end, we have written the conclusion, which includes what we should do to keep our Mother Earth safe. As you can see, this essay contains 4 to 5 paragraphs, starting with the introduction, followed by the description, and ends with the conclusion. So this was your topic for the day, students. I hope you understood it well. I'll be uploading an assignment on the ERP. I want all my students to complete the assignment positively. Thank you. Have a great day.